Hello friends and viewers. Last time we discussed about the Pulsatilla nigricans, a flower remedy, and we studied how these patients are so submissive, servile, obedient. When they will come to your clinic, will say, "Yes, doctor, I will obey. Yes, you will." As you are saying, "Yes, I will take the medicine once only. Yes, I will take the water. Yes, doctor, I will follow your instruction." So they are very obedient, respect giving, and grateful, sympathetic, mild, servile. Delicacy is seen in them. That slow sluggishness is also seen in them. And when you will ask their soulmate or their parents that who is more dominating, if you ask her husband that who is more dominating, then of course the husband will say, "I am the dominating, and mostly I take all decisions and she obeys." Yes, she doesn't say anything, doesn't make such so much arguments. Yes, she follows. Sometimes, yes, she had problem, but otherwise she is good. So that will be the reaction of her husband. So a pulsatilla female will always gets the dominating husband, and actually she is not having any problem to be getting dominated. She had no problem with that. Only she is demanding for love. She wants only love and affection and care, to be taken care, cared being. So when that desire is not fulfilled, when she feels being alone, being ruined, being neglected, then these problems come. Then she gets different problems like varicose vein, deep vein thrombosis, or rheumatic arthritis, or etc etc different. So this the system is then get affected. So last time we studied the transformation, and I forget to mention that when she becomes manipulative, deceitful, and liar and discontented, when her greed will increase, she will grasp more affection. She will desire for more affection. Actually, she will demand for quantity, not the quality. She wants to get loved and being taken care with all the persons surrounding her. So she wants love from everyone around her. So this is the problem. And then how, when like for example, if a lady got married in a joint family, and if her sister-in-law is getting more attention, then she will feel jealous, because her aim is to get more love, and she want to be center of attraction. So that's how she will transform into a manipulative and hypocritic lady. चुगली करेगी फिर वो, and झूठ बोलेगी, discontent होगी. Then liberty, then there will be desire for liberty when her needs are not fulfilled. Like when her husband will not give her importance, or when her in-laws or family members are not giving her importance, then she will think for libertinism. There is rubric. Then she will try to escape or estranged from her family, and will search the person who will understand her, who will give love to her. So there is a rubric which is adulteress, that is syphilitic. Then she will make relation outside from where she will get the love. So that's how her morals will get affected. And in the beginning, when she will try to grasp the attention from her husband, she will pretend to be sick. There is rubric feigning sick. So she will show that I'm not well, and she will pretend like this, so to get the attention, that family members will come and will ask about her health. So that's how she will try to get the attention, that love from her family members. There is also rubric bad desire to remain in. So she will remain in bed to she will try to get flattered, that appreciate me, flatter me, then only I will be happy. So these things will come in this psychosis part. And when she will not get loved, then she will move to the other person from whom she will get the love. So that's how morals will get affected and adulteress will come. And also in some patients, when we see that they are cling to God, spirituality is different part, but when person leaves the home, leaves her entire duties, children's, and clings to ashram or some guru, then in that case also we can think of pulsatilla, because they want love and to be care to be taken, they want to be cared. So because their need is support, they are dependent on others, their energy level is less, their speed is slow, and they are dependent on others. Their mind is not so much, yes they are intelligent, but their mind is not, we can't call them a witty or quick mind. So they are dependent on others for decisions, for electronic gadgets or other decisions making. So that's how they are clinged, they are dependent on others, and when they will not get the support from family member, when they will get neglected, then that person will cling to the God. And in some cases, when the syphilitic part is too much, then in syphilitic when syphilitic miasm is got on, and there is too much syphilitic miasm, then that person will think of suicide, and suicidal disposition will come, and there will be inconsolable and indifference, and patient will become malicious, that is harming others. So that's how is the journey of pulsatilla and the transformation from SORA to psychosis and syphilis. Thank you.